Look at that pretty amazing beach. I'm going to walk at the beach. Ayan o. So pretty amazing. Wow. Look at that. Boracay. Early in the morning. Konti ang tao. Ayan. Look. At ang buwan. Walking in Boracay Beach. Parang si Daddy, oh. Nag-walking din siya. We're walking at the white sand beach of Boracay. Look who's here. Look at the coconut. Oh. And the moon. Look at that. Ano yung si Daddy? Look who's walking. Nayan si Mami, oh. Pumunod siya. Nayan si Dad. We're walking at Boracay Beach. Yeah. Maligo ka na agad-agad, Mami? Maligo ka na agad-agad? May maligo na agad daw sa beach. Hindi dyan lang, eh? Ah! Ang mga nag-walking sa Boracay Beach. Na ang dalawang senior for today's video.